I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance attorney, and today we're going to talk about a medical condition called dyslexia and obtaining Social Security disability benefits for that severe condition. If you have dyslexia and it prevents your ability to work, you could be eligible for Social Security Administration's disability benefits. The most important thing to understand is the law and the legalese. Disability under Social Security is based on your inability to work. The SSA considers you disabled if you can't do the work you did before, and SSA decides you can't adjust to other work because of your medical conditions, and your disability has lasted or is expected to last at least 1 year or result in your death. If you fulfill all the criteria, you should apply for disability benefits, especially with dyslexia. Remember, there's no guarantee you're going to be eligible, but you know you fulfilled the minimum requirements. Other things SSA will take into consideration. Is your condition severe? Is your condition found in the list of SSA disabling conditions? Dyslexia is. Can you do any other type of work for gain or profit? Check out the SSA website to determine your eligibility based on these conditions. It's easy by going to www.socialsecurity.gov/DIB plan, or just go to socialsecurity.gov. If you choose to move forward, decide what kind of benefits you're going to be seeking. Depending on how much you've worked, how many quarters, Social Security is going to determine whether you're eligible for Social Security disability insurance. In that case, if you don't qualify based on the quarters, you can apply for supplemental security income, which is based on financial need and may be less favorable in terms of dollars than regular SSDI benefits. You can figure out if you're eligible by looking at your yearly statement from SSA or contacting them directly. You should gather all your medical records, as well as a statement from your doctor or mental health provider about the severity of your dyslexia and how it causes restriction and limitation. If you don't provide this information to SSA, they won't make a meaningful effort to get it when reviewing your application. Keep a journal. Document how your condition impacts your ability to work. Record the days where you were unable to do your work or even make it into work because of your condition. Obtain a job description of your duties at work and what your supervisor says about your inability to fulfill your responsibilities. Keep as detailed a record as possible of how dyslexia interrupts and prevents you from doing your job effectively and consistently. Once you've gathered all your information and evidence, apply for your benefits. You can do this online, by phone, or stop in at an SSA office. It's always a good idea to consult a top disability lawyer during this process. We can provide insight into what causes cases to get denied, as well as if you have a wrongfully denied case, and making sure that you meet the time limits of any of the appeal deadlines. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner of Darras Law in Ontario, California.